Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka on Icrt.Hello,
你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this month, all about traveling and transportation, and more specifically, getting off at a certain destination. When you say that in Hakka is 我要下车，怎么说？
我要下车。
我要下车 That means I need to get off of a certain transportation. Now, today,Which transportation should we take? 今天要坐什么样的交通工具呢？
火车好不好？
你刚好把我的话给抢过去。我正想要说火车。Let's talk about taking the train. OK, 火车。那火车我们通常都会要去查这个 timetable 时刻表。对，这很重要，密密麻麻的时刻表。
对呀。
All right, the timetable or the schedule. How do you say that?
时间表。
时间表。
那海陆腔呢？时间表。
时间表。Okay, that's a different dialect for saying timetable or schedule. Now, when you take the train, sometimes the train will be delayed. How do you say delay?
慢分。
慢了1分这样子吗？
就是慢分了。
慢分，真的是分吗？
对啊，慢分了，所以就误点了。
那万一慢1个小时呢？
慢1点钟。
Okay, 慢分. It kind of sounds like just slow down for 1 minute, but it just really means in general something is delayed or the train is delayed. 慢分. Then when you purchase your train tickets, maybe you want to purchase one way or round trip. 有可能是单程票，有可能是来回票嘛。那单程来回怎么说？
单场，
然后一场，单场
就是单程啊。
单程 ，OK, that's one way. 那如果是来回呢？
来回票，来回票。
That's a round trip ticket. So 票 is ticket. 那如果单程就单程票就变
单场票。
Okay, that's a one-way ticket. All right, let's make a phrase out of this. 就很简单的就是在这个柜台就说，我要一张来回票，怎么说 ？I need a round trip ticket, please.
我要一张来回票。
that means I want 一张 that means one. 来回票 okay, that means a round trip ticket. Let's review these terms. The timetable 时刻表。
时间表。
时间表 That's the timetable or schedule. Then if there's a delay, it's called 误点。慢分 and then the one-way ticket or the round-trip ticket. 单程来回票。单场来回票 And there you go. That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺只是张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.